Did you give the plaintiff's daughter 2 beds, 2 TVs? You'd remember that, right?
I still have her beds. She's never asked.
So why in your answer did you say you had none of her property?
Her beds are in storage.
And what do you mean she's never asked? What do you think we're here for?
She still has not really. She showed up on a day when I told her I wasn't going to be home. That's the only time she's showed up, Your Honor.
In one breath, you're saying she abandoned her things. You're being sued here for personal property. You've
get
known
it.
this for a while.
I have her beds.
Okay, her 2 beds?
And I've asked her ex to come get them.
Why would you ask her ex-husband?
Because she keeps not coming, except for when we're not
But you already
home.
knew how tumultuous it was between those two. Why would you ever invite him?
Their relationship is not tumultuous.
You're telling her she better hand over her son to the dad, which, of course, is none of your business.